In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to check local cycling and biking paths in Google Maps. Let's get started. First, launch your Google Maps. Make sure you are connected to internet. Next, click on this layers button given at the top right. Now here you're going to find different option. Under map details, you're going to find the option of biking or cycling. Click on that. Once it's enabled, you will notice different colored lines appearing across the map. These lines indicate dedicated bike paths, bike lanes, bike-friendly streets, and cycling trails available in your area. You can zoom in and out to explore nearby cycle routes and see how they connect to parks, neighborhoods, schools, business districts, and other destinations. This makes it easier to plan a ride and choose routes that are safer and more convenient for cyclists. If you're planning a specific trip, enter your destination into Google Maps and tap directions, then select the cycling transportation mode. If cycling directions are available for your area, Google Maps will suggest one or more cycling routes and provide an estimated travel time. And that's it. This way you can easily check local cycling and biking paths in Google Maps. If this guide helps you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.